opening your YouTube channel, the next thing for you to do is for us to go check our settings. Yes, 5 important settings. I want you to check if it is actually turn on or turn off, or if it is properly done in your channel. You might not be getting the subscribers that you actually want, or the views that you want, or the watch hours that you want, because of you are not your channel, it is not set properly. One of my friend reached out to me and she told me that she has been in this YouTube street for years, even before I came to this YouTube street, and she has not even gotten up to 200 subscribers. I was like, okay, I think something is wrong. Let me go through our YouTube channel. When I went through our YouTube channel, what I saw there was unbelievable. A lot of mess up, a lot of settings to be done. Like, I was like, that is why this your channel has not been recognized by YouTube, and that is why you are not getting the results that you want. It's because of this setting is not properly done in your channel. I have to help her to go through those channels and fix everything in place before she started seeing results. Now, which I'm going to take you all through this channel. Even when I first of all opened this my YouTube channel, I was actually not seeing results. As of a month and 3 weeks, I was not seeing results. Why? Because of I did not do these settings in my YouTube studio. I did not even know about any settings. Not until I watch a particular video and I get to know that I have to do these settings in my YouTube studio for me to be getting this result. And I also make a lot of research before I try to implement those settings in my YouTube studio, before I start seeing results, which I know that you watching this particular video, you've not done this setting, or even you've done some parts, you've not done some parts, or you've done it but you did not do it very well. So now I want us to take your time as I take you through all these 5 important settings you need to do in your channel for you to get YouTube recommendation, for you to get subscribers, and for you to even get your channel noticed by YouTube, and for you to make the algorithm to love you. We have to do these settings. If these settings are not properly done, how do you want YouTube to notice your channel? How do you want the algorithm to even know what your channel is all about? So this setting, it is very, very important for us to do this setting in our YouTube channel. So now guys, let's dive into our YouTube Studio dashboard. So this is the interface of our YouTube Studio dashboard. So first of all, you come to content, you click on content, right? So it will bring you to your content, your videos. Let's take any videos. Before you upload your video, make sure you do this particular setting. You check if it is properly done in your channel before you publish your video. So now you click on show more. It will bring you to this place. You scroll down. So now let's stop here. Are you seeing this license, standard YouTube license? See, let's click on it. It is very important for you to leave your channel to click on standard YouTube license. Yes, because you are telling YouTube that you are the owner of this video, that you don't give anybody any permission for them to make use of your video. But once you put it in Creative Commons attribution, you are telling YouTube that anybody can make use of your video, which can lead to demonetization if you are monetized, and people can claim ownership of your video, which you know that it is a big risk to your channel. You understand? So always make sure you put your video in standard YouTube license before you publish your video. So now let's go to the second setting. So you click on setting, it will bring you to this place. You click on upload defaults. So this upload defaults, we have basic info, we have advanced setting, right? So now this upload default is just like whatever you put in this basic info is going to be a default when you're uploading your videos. So this title is not necessary because we change titles every day when we want to upload our videos. We put different videos, right? So we don't need to put title here. So but your description, you can always put your link in this description. You can paste it here. So this visibility, leave it on unlisted. It is very important for you to leave it on unlisted. You see these tags, these are fixed tags. All these tags are very important. It's just like your SEO tools. They are very important. It is very easy for and search for anything related to this your tags. YouTube is going to recommend your video to them or your channel to them. So make sure you put tags that are related to your niche. If you are into vlogging, put cooking on and so on. If you are into hairstyles and all, put every niche related to hairstyles. Make sure you put tags that are very, very important, right? So the next one for us to do is channel. Let's click on channel. You will see basic info, advanced setting, feature eligibility. So now let's click on this feature eligibility. Please, if you know that yours is not showing enabled, right, see mine showing enabled. If you know that it's not showing enabled, just know that you've not done this setting. You verify your account. Make sure you verify your account. See it here for verify phone number. Make sure you verify your phone number to enable you to let YouTube know that you are not a bot, that you are a human being and you are the real owner of this channel. So you come to this advanced setting, set yours as no. This channel, they say, do you want to set this, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Put no. Set no is not made for kids. I remember when I just opened my YouTube channel new, right? I didn't even know anything about this made for kids and not made for kids. So I mistakenly put it at yes, made for kids. Made for kids. So my first introduction, if you even go down and scroll down and check, you will see there that is written made for kids and my comment section is off. And after I post that video, I was wondering that why is my comment section off? I don't know that I need to do all this setting and I need to know more about YouTube setting or more. So we need to learn, like I learn every day in this YouTube street. So if you are open to learn, just watch my videos. You're going to learn a lot for my video. So this no, if you put no is not made for kids, you are telling YouTube that your channel is not made for kids. And if you say it is made for kids, they are going to, a lot of people is not going to view it. They are not going to even put it in, recommend the video out there. You understand? They're just going to push it to kids channel. Once you put this no, this channel is not made for kids, it's going to be on default. Whenever you want to upload your video, it's already set as no, is not made for kids. So it is very, very important. We should take note of all these settings. It is very necessary, because if they are not necessary, YouTube will not put it here. And please, everything you've done, make sure you click on save. I didn't change anything. That is why mine is not showing save. What I know that a lot of us, the problem we have is that watch videos, after watching videos, we will not implement it on our channel. You understand? So we'll be looking that it is very long, that this thing is long, but just take your time. Some people will be looking for shortcuts. Why are you looking for shortcuts? Take your time. If all these things are not necessary, YouTube will not put it here. If you feel this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. See you on our next video, guys. Bye.